Hi guys, my name's Kenny and today I'm joined with Jessica and Sam to present our innovative software proposal which offers a unique solution for small and medium enterprises. So nowadays a lot of businesses are actually already using self-ordering or self-serving technologies which significantly decreases their costs and improves their efficiency. The issue we'd like to tackle is how can they maintain this efficiency whilst improving their customer service experience. In this example, we're going to use someone ordering food from a restaurant. So first, I thought it would be important to quickly mention how self-serving apps work. So business owners would input their items into a database. Customers would then order by selecting the items. The order is then sent to the business's point of sales and kitchen. This process, although it's very efficient and saves a lot of time, it's very monotonous and decreases the customer experience significantly. Customers would also be unable to ask questions about their order. So our app OrderBot attempts to solve this problem by improving upon existing apps that are already on the market. It's going to work the same way as pre-existing apps work, except we're going to add a few things to it. So we're going to integrate existing artificial intelligent virtual assistant technology. In this case, we decided to go with Amazon's Alexa due to its capabilities and low cost. So we believe that this voice interaction technology should be completed with a visual. So we decided that it would be complemented by a friendly character design, which uses computer facial animation to give it realistic facial expressions. Overall, this will simulate the customer talking to a real person, which we think will complete the customer service experience. So next, I thought it'd be important to discuss the technology behind our app. So we plan to integrate Alexa into our app, which we think will be significantly easier than building an AI virtual assistant from scratch. Alexa's capabilities can be extended by downloading skills, which are pretty much apps for Alexa. These are usually developed by third-party vendors, which can be downloaded by anybody. Furthermore, developers can actually develop their own skills for Alexa using a tool called Amazon Skill Kit, which Amazon says is a collection of tools, APIs, reference solutions, and documentation to make it easier to build for Alexa, which we think will decrease the overall workload needed by developers. So some of the existing APIs that Amazon already offers is the food ordering skill API, which allows users to order and track their order through Alexa, which we think will be pretty neat if it's integrated into our app. So another existing API is the Alexa for Apps API, which helps build interactivity with an app using their voice. One of the ways you can use the Alexa for Apps API is to create voice commands. Users can quickly begin searches with their voice. We think this can be useful for customers with unique dietary requirements. They can search for foods they're allergic to and avoid. So another tool we think would be useful if integrated into an app would be Alexa Conversations. So pretty much Alexa Conversations is a dialogue management software that will allow the OrderBot to understand the natural flow of conversation through machine learning. The first of its kind, AI allows for a two-way conversation between Alexa and users and can understand more complex requests than a standard smart speaker. Using Alexa Conversations will allow users to ask more than one question at once, receive answers containing previously provided information, and make corrections to their order. Alexa Conversations doesn't use hard-coded conversation paths, which makes it ideal for providing a human-feeling conversation. Alexa Conversations learns to handle unexpected dialogue and non-linear user flows. Utilizing this software will allow us to bring our AI server to life in the most realistic way possible. So in regards to our 3D character design, we decided to use motion capture technology. This technique is commonly used in video games and CGI in films to give characters hyper-realistic facial expressions. So bringing it all together, we believe that this is possible by leveraging pre-built technology, and most of the work will be bringing all the technology together. Overall, by bringing all this together, we aim to simulate a real person serving a customer and enhance their customer service experience. Although this is a solution for small and medium enterprises, we believe that this could be applied to bigger corporations who are already using AI to serve customers. So now I'd like to pass on to Sam, who will now be talking about our marketing strategy.
Thank you, Kenny. So now I will be talking about the marketing plan we're going to be taking for the OrderBot product. So when making a marketing plan, there are 7 important concepts that we may need to take into account when creating it. So this is our product, our price, our promotion, our places that we're going to target, the people that are involved, the processes, and the physical evidence. So in terms of the product, so the main thing we need to look at is the physical appearance of it. So the main theme we want to go for is a homely kind of feeling. So because of the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of people have had to stay at home and they've gotten this feeling where they don't want to go out, but they want to feel like they're outside. So the main theme of our app, especially the main screen, will be something kind of like a candles or fireplace in the background, so they'll feel like that they're just at home sitting at the dinner table and having some food. So even with our warranty as well, so we are offering a 3-month free trial. So even if the customer does not like it and he has a valid reason for it, this is after the 3-month free trial, we can offer a full refund for this as well. So with our promotions, we're going to be doing a search engine marketing strategy. So we'll be having certain reference words with the results that people search up on Google. So such as restaurants, ordering, position of sales. Will be these kinds of words that will help like the search engine, which will be mainly Google, which will help them go back to the product and will help them see the product every time they type in these words. So with the place, so since this is an online app that's on the App Store and Play Store, will be mainly an e-commerce sales of these apps. So even though the app will be free, when they actually open the app, the terms and conditions will state that there will be a commission that will be taken from each order that is taken on this app. So our target as well, the target industry that we'll be doing is mainly the hospitality industry. But if our product gets more popular, we do have the opportunity to do things such as increasing our commission. So right now it's 5%, but we do have the opportunity to increase it, as well as we can expand to not just the hospitality industry, but to the pharmaceutical industries, the retail industries such as clothing stores as well. And as well, in terms of our process, so as soon as the customer opens the app, we'll have a step-by-step introduction to help them understand how to use the app and utilize its full potential. So regards to our physical evidence, so every time an order is made and the payment is done, so you can have the option of a printout receipt and a email copy of the receipt sent to you as well as the business itself. So on the receipt itself, so there'll be a customer copy and there will be a business copy. So the customer copy will outline everything that the customer bought, but the business will outline the same thing, but will also outline the commission taken from the sale. Okay, so that's the marketing plan we're taking for the Orderbot product. Now I will pass it on to Jessica, who will be talking about our financial plan. Thank you.
Thanks, Samir. The startup costs for the Orderbot will include the initial costs of app development, character design, and motion capture capabilities. The ongoing costs will involve the app's maintenance and Amazon Alexa for Business pricing. This will total to be approximately $66,000 initially, with an ongoing cost of $9,000 per year. Our team will fund the Orderbot through business loans and encourage investments from both the food and technology industries. We will also be applying to the CSIRO Kickstart scheme, where we may be granted up to $50,000 for our project. To generate revenue, we will be charging a commission of 5% of each order made through the Orderbot. This commission is slightly higher than the cut that a typical food ordering app takes. However, due to our innovative technology and higher startup costs, we feel this commission is justified. This unique use of an interactive character and motion sensing technology separates us from our competitors, and we are confident that restaurant owners will recognize the value of the customer experience Orderbot provides and will be willing to pay the 5% commission. Our commission rate is guaranteed for 6 months upon becoming an Orderbot restaurant and will be subject to change in the future depending on increased costs and expansion. This revenue will be vital to ensuring ongoing support of our technology and securing opportunities to expand Orderbot globally. We are confident that the innovative features of the Orderbot will make ordering food a faster, better, and more enjoyable experience for customers, and will increase productivity and revenue for businesses. On behalf of my teammates and I, thank you for considering the Autobot in the MYOB IT challenge.